award.
Anim ang magagaling na naglalaban-laban sa Best Actor sa taong ito. Everyone showed their gifts in their acting performances, but who will be the 73rd FAMAS Best Actor?
Alamin natin, because here are the nominees for Best Actor.
The nominees for Best Actor: Arjo Atayde for Topak, Alden Richards for Hello, Love Again,
Punas lang ng boy. Hindi na gusto mong gawin, sige. Joy, I am more than big.
Dennis Caillo for Green Bones,
Court finds Domingo Zamora guilty of the murder of his sister Joanna Zamora Pineda.
Vice Ganda for MV Red Martinez,
Huwag muna kayong magugutom ha, huwag muna kayong kakain kasi pagod ako papahinga ng kahit sandali.
Aga Muna for Uninvited,
Not tonight. Naya kong bisita. Look, tonight.
Kelvin Miranda for Chances Are You and I,
For Best Actor, we have a tie.
Vice and Arjo.
Do you have anyone guess?
Vice!
Shout to your guests.
Arjo, Vice!
Sino ba?
Arjo, Vice! Arjo, Vice! Arjo, Vice! Go na.
Ano, Max? Babasahin na ba natin ito? Kasi sila mag-cheer para sa atin.
Arjo,
I think
Vice!
we should go ahead and do it.
Ha? Sino?
Arjo, Vice!
Okay. For the FAMAS Best Actor.
Arjo Atayde, Topak.
Congratulations, Arjo.
Wala ko siguro masasanay sa ganito. Kinakabahan ako ng sobra, nahihiyak. Meron lang pong hinandang kodigo para walang makalimutan, just in case. Una po sa lahat, sa FAMAS, maraming salamat for the recognition. Sa pagbibigay pansin sa aming kakayahan sa lahat po na ginawa namin sa Topak. Sa mga sundalo po, sa pagbibigay inspirasyon para magawa itong storya na ito. Hindi lahat na may Topak naman eh. We are all unique in our own ways, and most of the time misunderstood. To anyone and to everyone who is experiencing mental health issues, know that you are loved, and you are never alone. To our three producers, Nathan Studios, Rodogs, and Fusey Media, thank you for believing in me. To Direk Richard, maraming salamat. The captain of the ship, and po si Direk, maraming salamat, Direk. We don't work for this, but we work to tell a good story, and this is what happened. To my co-actors, of course, Julia, Sid, to the whole gang, maraming salamat. Thank you for making your lives easier on the set. To my parents, I love you so much. And of course, to my wife, thank you, Papa. I love you. Thank you for supporting me always. And just a short message. This award will serve not just a source of this award will serve as another source of inspiration for me to do better every time I face a new chapter. And may everyone in this pavilion continue to be soldiers of the industry. Huwag po tayong magsawang bigyang kulay pa, inspirasyon at direksyon ang ating industriya. Patuloy po natin suportahan ng pelikulang Pilipino. Sa FAMAS po, maraming salamat and may everyone have a good evening. Salamat po.
Congratulations, Arjo Atayde for TOPAC Best Actor FAMAS. Pero, as I've said, dalawa po ang panalo ng Best Actor. Ganyan kahirap ang deliberation. Siguro hindi talaga sila maka-decide kung sino. And even ako, you know, your guess is just as good as mine.
Exactly.
Meron ba kayong hula kung sino?
Vice! Vice!
Well, let's see. Kasi the
Let's see.
FAMAS for Best Actor goes to
Vice ganda! Congratulations, Vice!
FAMAS Best Actor.
i-celebrate with Direk June Lana yung nomination namin for Best Picture kasi ito po yung kauna-unahang pelikula kung na-nominate ng Best Picture sa FAMAS. I'm just so happy. Pagkatapos po namin ginawa yung End of Breadwinner is, talagang sabi ko, lahat ng award-giving bodies na mag-i-invite o mag-nominate sa atin, pupuntahan ko talaga kasi gusto ko ipagdiwag itong pelikulang ginawa namin nila Direk June, itong End of Breadwinner is kasi talagang pinagmamalaki ko talaga siya. At talagang iyayakap ko at ipinagpapasalamat ko lahat ng nominations and recognitions na binibigay sa amin. Kaya lahat, kahit yung mga awards sa school, pinupuntahan ko kasi nagpapasalamat talaga ako. At saka gusto ko talagang ipagsigawan yung pride ko sa paggawa nitong pelikula ng The Breadwinner is. Actually, yung nomination ko, hindi yun ang nakapag-pressure, nagbigay ng pressure sa akin tonight. Ang nagbigay talaga ng pinakamabigat na pressure sa akin. Yung kasama ko sa table, si Nadine at saka si Ate Bina, pareho silang may trophy. Tapos, nagpipicturean kanina na nahihiya akong sumama. Sabi ko, ay shit, ako lang walang trophy sa table. Pero congratulations Nadine and Ate Bina. So, maraming salamat FAMAS. This is actually my second FAMAS trophy. My first FAMAS trophy was given years back But I was able to receive the trophy personally because I had a gig somewhere. So nanay ko yung pumunta dito. I was given the very first Dolphy Award. At gusto kong gamitin ng pagkakataon ito na pasalamatan kayo dahil ako po yung pinili niyong parangalan ng kauna-unahang Dolphy Award. At ito naman, Best Actor. Yung nomination lang talaga, sabi ko, Direk June, sabi ko, I'm just so proud. Sabi kay Ate Bitch, ang saya-saya ko, proud na proud akong nominated ako. Kaya nandito ako, proud na proud talaga akong nominated ako. Tapos nanalo pa ako. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Pamas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. Diba? So, may this trophy, may this recognition, may this award inspire all the queer kids na makakakita nito sa social media kung saan man. May this recognition inspire you to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you're limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless. So maraming salamat sa Pamas. Direk June, panalo to ni Direk June kasi hiyang-hiya ko sa kanya. Sabi ko sa lahat ng artist ang hinahawakan niya laging nananalo. Ako lang yung pumalya dun sa Film Fest. Pero Direk June, panalo ni Direk June ko, siya ang gumawa sa akin as an actor dito sa The Breadwinner is. Kaya maraming salamat Direk June Lana. Sa Star Cinema, maraming salamat kay Chris Gasper, kay Tita Cory Vidales, kay Sir Carlo, sa lahat ng bumubuo, sa lahat ng mga co-actors ko, sila talaga ang sumuporta sa akin, nagturo. Si Tita Malu lalo na nag-workshop sa akin, and I would like to share and thank for this award, Direk Wendy Ramas. Ikaw nagsimulat. Maraming salamat. Pakas, maraming salamat po. Arjo, congratulations. Super deserved. At sa lahat ng mga nominees, sila Dennis Trillo at lahat, super deserved. Hinahangaan ko kayong lahat. Lalo na nung nanalo ng Best Picture kanina, sabi ko kay Nadine, yung team nun, sabi ko, I'm just so amazed by these people. Nakakahanga. Kasi sila yung, damang-damang mo yung passion at dedication sa ginagawa. Pagdating sa box office, medyo tihado sila eh. Pero patuloy silang lumalaban kasi meron silang ipinaglalaban at gustong sabihin. Kaya hinahangaan ko po kayo. Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Lord, thank you so much. Thank you very much because you're making me